Welcome to the World Population Day 2020 celebration. In November 2019, Kenya hosted the WPD2020 summit in Nairobi, which was officially flagged off by His Excellency, President Uhuru Kenyatta.
We are here to celebrate progress made in the last 25 years and to make new commitments to complete the unfinished agenda. And in this regard, Kenya commits to doing the following: to track, monitor the implementation of WPD2020 Nairobi Summit commitments through the National Council for Population and Development in the State Department for Planning, provided that the commitments are in keeping with Kenya's Constitution, socio-cultural values, and national ethos.
The World Population Day 2020 is a day for us to reflect and evaluate our progress.
The greatest asset of any nation is people, the population. And how we manage the population, how we nurture the population, how we make the population live beyond the current times, the future, is government has a role.
The National Council for Population and Development, NCPD, is a state corporation that is mandated to implement the coordination of population issues and population matters. This year we are commemorating or celebrating the World Population Day, which we are going to mark on 11th of July 2020. This day will mark here in Nairobi. With this day we are going to mark in a special way because of the COVID-19 pandemic.
This is a very, very important day because the world community come together, or the world community celebrates this day so as to focus on issues that are affecting the population.
This year, 2020, we are dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, and the theme of the World Population Day that speaks to putting the brakes of COVID while still protecting the rights and the health of women and girls is very instructive. The impact of the pandemic on women and girls has actually been very severe.
You find that the hand to mouth, what we do in the Kikomba, in Kariako, in the Mamamboga, the small scale and medium scale businesses were affected.
The first case of COVID-19 was reported in Kenya mid-March 2020, and since then life has never been the same. One of the things we have noted with concern is a sudden spike or surge in gender-based violence cases that have been reported in Kenya.
As a council, the epidemic has come when we are starting to implement the WPD2020 commitment, which, when you look at those 17 commitments, are aimed at improving the quality of life of the population. And we cannot improve the quality of the population when now the epidemic is with us. It's affecting the vulnerable population, more so women and girls, and in the urban areas, especially the informal settlements.
We have experienced the challenge of the pregnancies, which I spoke about last week. And we are going to encourage to experience it because we have another 6 months to January, when we hope that something will have worked out around COVID.
Kenyans are very adaptive. If we focus ourselves and draw our energy and resources towards fighting a particular virus, we'll manage. And you can see now Kenyans are well informed about COVID-19. The level of awareness is very high. People are coping. In contrast to other countries, our coping has been fairly okay. So if we now also target this virus, the fight against this virus, with the same zeal, then we are definitely going to, control it.
As a nation, we are a very resilient nation, and as you have seen during this pandemic, we have really come together and really overcome these challenges. Moving forward, I just want to urge and advise Kenyans that we need to really continue with the spirit of togetherness, the spirit of really protecting ourselves, protecting our loved ones, and follow the MOH and the World Health Organization guidelines on the prevention of the COVID-19. We need to wash our hands. We need to keep social distancing, and we need to sanitize whenever it is necessary. And I just wish you all the best during this celebration. Thank you very much.